Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude with ClickUp in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on clickup.com. Afterwards, click on the option of sign up if you don't have an account here. If you already have an account, you can also click on the option of login on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to simply sign up or log in here and get access to your ClickUp dashboard. Now, when you are inside, you just have to simply open a new tab, then simply search for Claude.ai. Now, over here, you just have to log in into your Claude AI account if you haven't already. When you are here on this particular page, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of customize. Now, over here, simply select the option of connect your apps. Afterwards, you will be shown a bunch of different applications over here, which you can basically filter them out by using this particular filter. Now over here, since ClickUp is a productivity tool, you can just use the filter of productivity and you can look for ClickUp over here in this list. Now, if you are not able to find it, you can also use the search bar here on the top and then you can search for ClickUp. Now, as you can see, ClickUp is currently available here. So you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on this plus icon right next to it. Then it will automatically redirect you on your ClickUp account. So if you already have logged in or signed in into your account, you just have to simply authenticate this connection or this integration by selecting the option of approve or authenticate, and then you will be redirected inside your Claude AI account with the prompt that would say that you have successfully connected your ClickUp account with Claude AI. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.